What is up, you guys? It's your boy Edgar back at another video. Today, I'm a little sick. Sorry if I sound like real. My voice ain't fully there. I've been sick all week, and it's just been one of those. It's been one of those weeks. But, anyways, guys, today I'm gonna be replacing the tires on my truck, simply because I had a little too much fun and my tires are literally fucking bald now. And sorry, the sun's fucking bright. My tires are bald and I need to replace them. I ordered them, they're here, and we're gonna install them, but we're gonna install them the old school way. My dad's gonna help me install them. He's gonna help me mount them the old school way though. If y'all don't know what the old school way, y'all about to find out. Y'all's parents probably used to do the same shit back in the day, but you know, I'm gonna find out how it is and how it's done. But let me show you guys the tires, how they look real quick. Yeah, they're pretty fucking bad. Yeah, look at that. Oh shit. Yeah. Yep, look at that. They are completely fucking worn out. I did a little burnout, so I'll probably put the video. I'll upload a video somewhere here. How I wasted all my tires. But anyways, guys, yeah, I'm about to take them off. I'm gonna check my brakes because they've been squeaky like crazy too. So we're gonna do all that, check them out, replace them. If they're bad, I'm gonna replace the brakes. But anyways, guys, yeah, stay tuned. Let's get this shit done. Here's the truck, by the way. She's a little dirty, but you know. Boom. There's the OG, still sitting pretty, but yeah, guys, I'll move the trucks around real quick and put the black one here, put on jack stands, take the tires off, do everything, and I'll move my blue one. They are dirty, they probably do need a wash, but the weather's so unpredictable here. It's sunny right now, then tomorrow will be cold and shit, so who knows, maybe we'll go wash them or not. But let's move these trucks around real quick. Let's do a quick cold start on the blue truck. I don't think people really heard my blue truck that much, but it's pretty loud. It's just loud. It's not fast. It's a 4.7. 4.7 V8, the baby V8s, but give you guys a quick little cold start. crazy. But yeah, they're bad. But anyways, I'm about to take these inside over there and start getting them unmounted and mounted, and yeah. I also gotta check the suspension out, make sure my brakes are still good. Yeah, that's pretty bad. One little nail and I would have been screwed. I would have been booked, but that's crazy. I think that's the worst I've had them before. But this is the worst I've had them, I think, in the recent years. But it's fun doing taquacha shit, like the shirt says right there. But anyways, guys, let's get these tires mounted and dismounted and mounted, and show you the new ones that are gonna go on it. They're the same ones, but these just actually have tread. So right there. Look at all that tread. Compare like mine. These are 285, 40s, 22s. Yeah, but those are them right there. They're gonna go and replace them right there. Damn. If anybody needs some slicks, let me know. For sale cheap. I know what I got. This is what he uses. My dad uses to take them off. It's a little ghetto-ish, but it works. It works. Before, he's done it to my blue truck and to my black truck too. So yeah.
It's daddy.
He uses a pickaxe.
At Fortnite.
Which is a little crazy. But, you know, he soaks it down. And then he just breaks the seal, gets the pipe wrench, and he has the little bars too and everything. That's how he does it. That's how they do it back then, and well, not back then, but that's how he's done it. So it works. So, and I've seen him do it too. So, you know, there's no lie about that. But yeah, guys. He's a little camera shy. He doesn't like being on cameras and stuff like that. So I'm gonna just try to get you guys as much footage as I can just around him and show you guys how he does it, how he used to do it. And yeah, guys, it should be a little interesting, something different for today. But as y'all can see, that's the way he gets it done. I mean, it might have chipped the clear coat a little bit, but my rims ain't perfect, you know. They have curb rashes. That's how they were when I bought it. So it is what it is. I'm not really tripping about the wheels, so it is what it is. But yeah, guys, that's the old school way of doing things. Like, you know, before the tire machines and all this crap. I mean, that's how they do it back in Mexico. Well, when my dad was younger, before, you know, they had tire machines and this and that. So it might be a little sketch, but it gets the job done. It might be a little slower, but you know, it is what it is. That's how they used to do it. And yeah, guys, it's a pretty interesting process, but it's almost done. I mean, y'all can see he has the tire already in there. He has a tire in the rim and the tire. And but yeah, guys, it's a pretty lengthy process, especially you gotta do all four, but he's just doing two, so there's not much of a lengthy process. But still, yeah, it takes a while. But yeah, guys. Well, while he's finishing that, he's just gonna inflate the tires now and bring them over here. While he's doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and check my brakes out, make sure they're still good. They are hella squeaky, so I might have to replace them. And it gets annoying and embarrassing if you know when like you're pulling up somewhere, your brakes are just going like squeak, squeak. Yeah, that shit's annoying, man. But I'm gonna check my brakes out, make sure they're good, and if they're not, I'm gonna replace them, obviously, because you can't be driving around with bad brakes. But anyways, guys, yeah, hope you guys are enjoying the process of everything. This shit's crazy, you know. A lot of you probably never seen that type of way to mount tires and stuff, but yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. So I do need brakes. They're a little wore out, not too bad, but just enough where you can, I mean, I don't know if you guys can see, but they're a little wore out. They're wore out a bit. So I went to Best Buy. I went to O'Reilly's and I went and got new brakes. So I went and got some new brakes just for the rear. I don't think the front ones are too wore out yet, but I'm gonna look at them once I take the tires off and rotate them. So I'm gonna put the front ones in the back and the new ones in the front. But did this side already, installing them. I went real quick, got the tires, and I mean, the tires, the fucking brakes. We installing the brakes right now, and I think my dad should be done with the tires, and I'm about to install the tires back on. And yeah, guys. Tires are mounted, new ones are on. We got new brakes on the rear. I'll probably do the front ones next week, just because I need to do all of them equally. But yeah, guys, ahí quedó. Brand new, more meat on the tires. Put the ones in the front on the back. And she's ready. She's ready. She's ready. But yeah, guys, that's where I'm in this vlog. It's been a long day. I'm probably gonna get some frozen yogurt right now when my girl comes home. I'm gonna take my siblings. We're gonna get some frozen yogurt. But anyways, guys, I appreciate the support. Thank you for everybody who's been subscribing. And the giveaway, stay tuned for that giveaway. The giveaway's coming soon. And yeah, guys, appreciate the support. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And like I said, giveaway coming soon. Stay updated on my YouTube or on my Instagram too. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Deuces.